Okay, see the tiny, 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 tiny red dot? See it? See it? That's this year's. They're all gung-ho. Yay, yay, go team. We got 800 yesterday. What's the daily mean? The daily mean? Over 5,000 for the day. I just talked to an idiot up there. Been fishing every day, lifetimers, him and his dad. Trying to do this with one hand, because I got nobody. But people won't even hold the camera for me. It's down to me. I mean, that's all day, every day. Trying to recover from freaking surgery. Third go round. So let's go here. And these are panty painted numbers on the tenure. They're diluted. I get into that. But even with those. Okay. So this is what they're gung-ho about. Okay. So they have 2,000 for the year. You heard me, 2,000 for the year. This is 10-year. What's the date today? What's the date today? That's the date today. Oh, gung-ho, the best day we've had in 2 years. What? Catastrophe. Based on record escapement. Expected record, they go to sea for 5 years. Oh, they're all gung-ho. Theater of the insane. Oh, come see starving to death orcas. Well, wetters in Monterey Bay eat 50 of them, surround a baby gray and killing him. Oh, that's natural. No, it's not. It's extremely radically rare. They Chinook salmon. They're starving to death. Theater of the insane. Staring tuned. You'll never wake up these fainting goats. I mean, me, selfish, self-indulged. It's disgusting, the most disgusting generation in human history by 10 billion times. Oh, the future's gonna look back and say, what the fuck, you disgusting pigs. Oh, Fukushima born in the Pacific Ocean for 70, that's nothing. Everybody plays along on the winning team, the Nuclear Energy Crime Syndicate. Chinook salmon of the smoking gun. Record returns 2015, 2014, 2013. Expected record returns, oh, they go to sea for 5 years. Boop, dead. Starving to death. It's the ecology, stupid.